Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you people this delicious recipe of Shahi Tukda. This can be served as a sweet dish on Diwali and we are going to start right now.
Lions roaring in the morning sun.
So this dish involves multiple different preparations and first of all we are going to start with the rabri that goes on top of the Shahi Tukda or the sweet bread. So I have kept the milk on simmer to boil so as to make sure that rabri can keep on cooking while we are creating the rest of the recipe. So while the milk is on a sim and it's boiling, we are going to take bread pieces. Now here I am cutting the bread slices into triangles, two triangles in one bread. If you have a giant size of bread, you can simply go ahead and create four triangles or you can divide it into four different pieces as per your choice, whatever the size you want from your Shahi Tukdas. Now the bread is prepared and now I'm going to prepare a masala. Here I have used some kali mirch, cloves, elaichi and badi elaichi, a little bit of badi elaichi, a little bit of saunf and I am adding badam to it. Now I'll grind it and this is the Shahi Tukda masala which is quite ready, but now we have to go ahead and add cashews in it. Badam take a little while longer in getting grinded. So priorly I grind the masala with badams and then I go ahead and add cashews. I'm sorry, I'm calling them badam. They are almonds in English. So here our masala is entirely ready with coconut powder and cashews as well. And while I was doing all that, this is the condition of the milk. The milk has started reducing. We have to bring it to 1/3 of the actual quantity that we took for the milk. So you have to continuously keep on stirring it so that it doesn't sticks to the pan. Now milk is on the another gas stove. I am going to prepare the bread. Here I have used ghee and butter. You have to use it in equal quantity, and yes, this recipe requires a lot of ghee and butter, but it is a sweet dish, so it's genuine that you need a lot of ghee and butter in this. So here you can see I am deep frying the breads. If you want, you can shallow fry them as well, but deep frying them in ghee and butter brings out an amazingly delicious taste. Now this dish calls for a sugar syrup as well, which we usually call as chashni. So here I am creating the chashni. You need the chashni to be very thin, not very thick, like the chashni for that we create for gulab jamuns. So I have used half katori of water and 1 katori of sugar. To it I have added a little bit of food color, elaichi, and I have added some kevda water to it as well. If you have kesar, you can add kesar and skip the food color. I didn't add kesar, so I did went ahead with food color. Over here, our chashni is ready. This is one tar chashni, and here the milk has reduced to half of its actual quantity, and we are going to let it reduce to 1/3. And here I am going to prepare the shahi tukdas. Now the chashni is not way too hot for this process, but it's not extremely cold as well. So you need to dip the bread pieces in the chashni and then take them out and directly place them on the serving dish. Whatever serving dish that you're using, you can place it directly on top of that, because after this we are just going to place rabdi and masala on top of it. So over here you can see I am arranging and organizing the Shahi Tukdas as I want them to look at the moment. Here you can eat it like that as well, but the rubbery that goes on top of it, it just tastes amazing. Now here you can see milk has almost reduced to 1/3, almost, not completely. So we are going to add the masala and sugar to it at this stage. Now you have added sugar to the sugar syrup, that is the syrup that we created, so it's already very sweet. So if you want, you can neutralize the flavors. You can reduce the amount of sugar that you are using in the rabri, so as to make sure there is not a lot of sugar thing going on. Now here you can see our rabri is already done. It's granulated, and this is the exact consistency. Plus, when you talk about rabri, it thickens up a little bit more when you let it cool down. So our rabri has cooled down and it has thickened up a little bit. So we are going to serve it on top of our Shahi Tukda, and on top of rabri we are going to place the masala that we created as well. So hopefully you people must have enjoyed today's video. This recipe was very amazing, very fun to create as well as very fun to eat. So do try it at home, serve it to your guests, and let me know in the comment section below what did you felt about it. I'll see you guys in my next video of Diwalog 2021. Till then, stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.